Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a multiple LEDs blink using Arduino. This is a great project for a beginner who want to start with Arduino and understand how to control multiple outputs. Let's start with introduction. In this presentation, you will learn how to control multiple LEDs using Arduino. This project builds on the basis of controlling a single LED and extending multiple LEDs to create an interesting pattern and sequence. So let's go over the components we needed for this project. First, we have a breadboard for a temporary circuit designing. Then we have a Arduino UNO. Now USB cable that connect the Arduino UNO with PC. Some jumper wires that complete the circuit. Four different color LEDs. Last 4 to 20 ohm resistors that reduce the current into the circuit. So now we learn about the components we use in this project. First we start with breadboard. In its center a line drawn. We separate it into two equal parts. A breadboard is a rectangular plastical board with a grid of holes in upper and lower grid holes connected horizontally and the center grid of holes connected vertically to each other. Breadboards are ideally for testing and prototyping circuit because they able to easily connection and disconnection and rearrangement of components. So next is LED. It has two different legs. Longer leg represent the anode, means positive, while the shorter leg represent cathode, means negative. Next is resistor. It is used to reduce the current flow into the circuit. We measure its resistance through colorful bands. In last, Arduino UNO. This is a small, easy to use computer. It has lots of pins on the side through which we can connect the components, LEDs like. We can supply power to the Arduino UNO by connecting it with a computer through USB cable. We use a special program called Arduino IDE on our computer to write and upload the code to the Arduino UNO. Now let's start attaching the components. First we identify the legs of LED, then place it into the breadboard one by one. Now attach the resistor in the same column where the short leg of LED is insert. Then connect the resistors with jumper wires. We use alternative color to differentiate it. Now connect the anode side of LED with jumper wires and then connect all the resistor with ground pin with the help of black jumper wire. Then attach right side of LEDs with pin 5, 4, 3, 2 in Arduino. Now write the code into the Arduino IDE. First open the IDE and then first we create a setup function in which we set 2, 3, 4, 5 pin as an output for LEDs. Next we create a loop function which provide high voltage to pin for half second and then provide low voltage for another half second. Then we upload the code, but before that we connect the Arduino UNO with computer. Now there we have it. LED start blinking in a sequential order. Thanks for watching. So if you liked this video, make sure to give it thumbs up and subscribe our channel.